Here's a classic Chevy, 1949 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Good old Thriftmaster. Step side bed on these. Nice looking truck. Riding on radial tires. Powered by an inline 6 underneath the hood. It's actually a 235 inline 6, little later era engine than the truck itself. It's a 55 to 57 era 235. That is paired up with a, I guess you'd call it a 4-speed manual, or you'll hear 3-speed with a granny gear. You can check it out in the pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about as far as the shift pattern on it. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Nice look in the turquoise and cream. Paint on this is in nice shape. There was one little spot I noticed on the driver's fender where it's a little bit thin, but overall, nice looking color on this truck too, of course, the turquoise harkening back to the 50s. It has been updated on the inside as bucket seats put in it, a little bit of a street rod look from the inside. Stereo has been added to it. We'll check that out in a second. I'll start it up for you so you can hear it run and everything else. Some wood sideboards added for a nice look to it, and the stake pockets matching the wood inlay in the back of it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We also have technicians in the back in the service department that go through the trucks, do an inspection sheet on them. So if you'd like to go through that list at all with a sales associate, feel free to bring that up and talk to them when you call in or email. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726 and uniqueclassiccars.com is the website where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Mentioned that one spot where the paint was just a little bit thin right up here. Again, nothing major. You can see the paint has a nice reflection coming off of it. Something else I noticed when I was up here, Chevrolet Thriftmaster, the early built 49 still had the Thriftmaster emblem on there. And this is an early built truck. It was built in March. Later on they did away with that Thriftmaster. All right, let's check out this engine, or excuse me, interior. Then we'll check out the engine bay. We're going to start it up so you can hear it run. So again, they've added a little bit of fabric to the door panels, carrying on that teal and cream colored theme throughout. Kept the original looking dash steering wheel, but did add the buckets and stereo. A little different headliner was added to it also. Let's start this up. Wipers do work. Wiper switch is here. Choke is here. We're not going to use that. We're inside. It's warm. It's going to start easily. There's the AM/FM CD player. Wipers and stereo do work. Let's go ahead and start it up. So easily that starts. Gauges do move as far as accuracy. We had a question on something this old, but I did appear that the gauges did move. Do have power to them. Again, stock looking dash. Here, how smooth that runs also. Alright. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. A little bit of rumble coming out of that 235. Nothing crazy about what you'd expect. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Pause this video a second so I have a free hand or two. Get this hood open and let's check out how it looks underneath there. Alright, got the hood pop. This is a 12-volt system. 235. Later model air cleaner on there, as you can see. Running the single carb, new starter. Smooth running in line 6. There you go. You're looking for kind of a stock looking truck from the outside, but some of the modern amenities on the interior. Here you go, 1949 Chevrolet 3100. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.